Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters and take the reading as it resonates with you. So let's see what's there for Taurians. Oh, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, the Death card. Okay, Three of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Four of Cups, Ten of Wands, the Fool, Temperance, the Sun, the Six of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. Okay, so Taurians, there is a situation. I think it has already passed now, but yes, you've been dealing with a situation in which you really felt ignored, rejected, and very upset. You felt abandoned. There's a sense of abandonment in this situation, and you are very upset in this. Okay, and one more thing which I feel for most of you is that this situation is ending. Okay, so whatever this situation was which you were dealing with, it was really making you feel rejected and really in a very bad shape. It's a very, maybe you were too depressed, maybe you were very upset in this situation, and it's something not very easy to deal with. It was really taking a toll on you, and this situation is ending, and you are turning your back to this situation, ready for a new beginning. This is the time for the pause. You are planning, contemplating as to which direction to choose, which path to move towards, which person to move towards, if it is a person, but ready to have a new beginning. Okay, so you are looking for a new beginning for yourself. And with the Four of Cups over here, what I feel is still there is a time, there is still that energy which is lingering inside you, that you are not even able to focus as to what universe is offering you. So there is a new beginning, perhaps near you or in your vicinity. The thing is that you are not able to focus on that, or not able to reach out to it, or not able to recognize, I should say. Though you have turned your back to whatever was troubling you, or causing you feeling upset or depressed, whatever it was, though you have turned your back and you are ready for a new beginning, but still that negative thing or that being upset is there. Okay, still feel upset that you are not able to catch or recognize whatever the universe is offering you. But yes, it is, you are on your way. I should say it is a transition. You are on your way trying to come out of that negative energy, but yes, still feeling depressed. Though you are planning and contemplating, you have gathered enough courage for the new beginning, but yes, still not able to recognize. There are still that phases of gloominess. With the Ten of Wands, yes, you are definitely trying hard to unburden yourself. It's not, you are trying, working on yourself, unburdening yourself. And we're here with the Fool, the Temperance, and the Sun card. All the three major cards in line. This is, now you are actually sorted out. Here you have balanced yourself. Here you have really understood, okay, now I really need to take a leap of faith. I really need to move in for a new beginning, and now you are able to achieve it. So here you are just ready for it, but not actually exiting that negative energy. Here I think you have actually moved in towards a new future. You have taken a leap of faith, you've balanced yourself, and you are now ready for the new beginnings, and you are even getting them. With the Sun card here, you are feeling very happy. With the Six of Pentacles and the Page of Cups here, you have come out of that negativity, you've balanced yourself, sorted out yourself, and with the Page of Cups here, you are actually moving in towards the new beginning. Okay, so the new beginning is there on the horizon. The only thing is, perhaps if you are still in the negative situation or not able to come out of it, then you need to realize that you really have a good opportunity in your vicinity. You really need to take it. Just take the time, whatever you need to take, but do not prolong it so much that you miss the opportunity. Okay, but I think you will be able to avail it, because with these three major cards there, you are sorting out your life. and you are getting happiness and movement forwards in your life. Yes, again we have the Page of Cups, the Empress, and the King of Pentacles. So definitely, yes, there are again phases, the Four of Cups being there and the Five of Cups. I think you've been really, really depressed in the situation, whatever it was. Yeah, we had the Five of Cups here, and again the Five of Cups. So whatever you've been dealing with, it has really, really taken a toll on you. But yes, the situation is coming to the end with the Death card, and above it we have the Empress. So definitely you are manifesting new beginnings and being in control once again with the King of Pentacles. You are taking charge of your life once again, Taurians. So beautiful energy. Let's see what is the message from this deck. This is popped out. So this is moving towards peace, moving towards peaceful horizons, choosing peace over the emotional turbulence. So you are walking away from the emotional turbulence. Guidance from the angels. Healer of action. This is a time when you can do whatever you set your mind to if your heart is open. You are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making a difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate, and fun, which could definitely be you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace, and that's what you are doing, Taurians. So, over with the tough times, and now you are actually moving towards happiness. So, Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.